Deep research with citations from one prompt. This is Researcher, the research agent built into Microsoft 365 Copilot. The full tour today covers where it lives, how to scope it, the model picker most tenants have never opened, and what a run actually looks like. Researcher is not a faster chat. Where chat answers in one pass, Researcher plans, searches, reads, and evaluates over several minutes across the web and, if you let it, your work data. It is included in the paid Copilot license, and the output is a structured report where every claim carries a source. It lives in the left sidebar, pinned by Microsoft for every licensed user. The landing page offers a prompt gallery for common research shapes, plus your history and saved reports. Before you type anything, open the Sources button. Researcher can read the web, your chats, emails, meetings, and SharePoint, plus a catalog of connectors into outside systems. Scope it deliberately per run. For this demo, we switched everything off except the web. Public question, public sources, and nothing from the tenant can leak into the report. Top left sits the picker most tenants have never opened. Auto is the default and chooses the model for the task. If your organization has enabled Anthropic models, 3 more options appear. Critique, where GPT drafts and Claude reviews. Model Counsel, where both reason in parallel. And Claude, where Anthropic's model runs the task end-to-end. These are frontier program features, off by default in EU tenants, excluded in government clouds. We ran everything on auto. The prompt works best when it carries the scope, the deliverable, and the audience together. Ours asks how enterprises measured the return on AI assistance, public sources only, as a briefing for an IT decision maker. Then before doing anything, Researcher asks back, which subtopic, which perspective, what length? Answer the questions before it starts running. They decide whether the report is yours or generic. And then it works. It searches, selects sources, reads, and evaluates, with the steps streaming live as it goes. And a long report takes minutes, not seconds. Here is a run, compressed. When it finishes, the run stays inspectable. Expand the reasoning, and you get named steps. Searching for specific data, deciding on top results, evaluating evidence quality, clarifying data inconsistencies. If a number in the report surprises you, this is where you check how it got there. The report arrives structured with a table of contents, an executive summary, and claims that carry inline citation chips. Ours came back with the published ROI models and case studies, plus its own section on evidence quality, warning which of those numbers are vendor-published rather than audited. Every source sits in one list at the end, consultancies and vendors next to universities and government sites, and the convert row turns the finished report into a Word document, a deck, a PDF, or an infographic in one click. The written researcher guide, including the frontier mode details, is at kesslearnity.com/guides, link below. This matches the live product as of July 22nd, 2026. In the description gets a note when Microsoft changes it. Next in the series, Analyst, the data agent.